Hi viewers, today we will see how to change the CMOS battery in all-in-one desktop. This is Dell desktop all-in-one. Now I have unscrewed the screws at the back of the panel. See, always the CMOS battery will show the error when it is not working at the start of the computer. It shows BIOS issues or date and time in a wrong manner, so we can change the CMOS battery in order to change the date and time in accurate. So now I am changing the CMOS battery. See, we have to open this case at the back side of the panel. If you open this case, you can see the CMOS battery. In all the CPU, it will be very easy, but this is all-in-one CPU, so we need to unlock it very carefully. I have taken the CD drive out of the all-in-one PC. Now I am trying to open the back case. Normally, most of the desktop motherboards use a CR203T 3V coin cell battery. This coin cell battery is common to all PC. When we are changing this CMOS battery, make sure you should not change it when it is on. Please plug out the computer, then you replace the battery. Here you can see the inside parts of the all-in-one PC. Now I am removing the back case. Here it is the motherboard, you can see hard disk it is there, and processor also is there. Now I am taking the CMOS battery from the back case. Just now I have replaced the CMOS battery. Hereafter it will work 100% because that is the only issue with this PC. So whenever you find an BIOS issues or time issues at the time of start of the computer, you can see that you need to change the CMOS battery. So only two instruments is used for this. One is screwdriver and the CMOS battery. And you want to carefully repack the all-in-one PC so that it will work fine. Now I am going to close this back case of the all-in-one PC. This is a very good computer. Now it will work fine. The work of the CMOS battery is to maintain the time even when the PC is off, so that when it is on it shows the correct date and time. It stores the BIOS settings, and whenever if it is off, that CMOS will charge the date and time for the motherboard to showcase the time when it is on. So I am refitting the CD drive into it. Now it will work very fine. I am re-saying that name of the CMOS CR203T 3V coin cell battery. Now I need to plug in the all-in-one system, then I can check the date and time. Definitely it will work. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe this channel. I am now putting screws at the back case of the all-in-one PC. This is i3 system and it is Dell brand. In this video we have seen what a CMOS battery does, signs of a weak or dead CMOS battery, how to safely remove the old battery, and how to install a new CR2032 CMOS battery and resetting the BIOS date and time after replacement. So the main work of the CMOS battery is to date and time keeping and BIOS settings after shutdown. Most desktop and motherboards use a CR203T 3 volt coin cell battery only, so it is safe to have 2 or 3 batteries in stock when you are working with this desktop. Now I am plugging the charger to the all-in-one PC. Let's on the system and see how it works. Now I am connecting the network cable. I'm just turning it on. Thanks for watching this video. Next video we will see the next work of this CPU. Now I am turning on. See viewers, now it is turning on. You can see Dell logo is coming on, and you can see without any issues it will work, and it shows some message. That message will be cleared after it is on. I just clicked OK. Now I am turning it on. See, it is working very fine, showing the correct time, correct date. Thanks for watching this video.
Okay. Time?
We will see in the next video. Thank you.
हाँ मैं कर रही हूँ. Thank you. Thank you.